We're going to walk around and check out some of the legendary muscle cars here at the New Dorp High School Football Team Car Show. They're giving out the award, so everybody's going to be leaving here in a hurry. So let's set this up and look around. We'll make your own drone.
The oldest driver, how old do you think? 21, 22?
97.
18, I know where he is. Come on down, oldest driver. 83 years old. God bless his Car number 213, driven by Tony. God bless him. There you go, Mr. Tony. Thank you for coming. Ladies' choice goes to somebody with a 1976 Pontiac, driven by Gloria, car number 157. How about longest distance? Who came the longest distance? 1971 Chevelle, driven by Bert, came from upstate New York to be with us. Car number 35. And here you go, baby. It's a little heavy. Enjoy. Best Street Rod, car number 9. Car number 9. Best Street Rod, car number 9. Where are you? Here he comes. It's a working clock also, just be careful. Thank you. Here you go. I told you I was going to get unique, and God help the person who's got to carry this one. Best interior, that needs somebody strong. Car number 99 from the Cadillac Club, 1984 Caddy, Mr. Nick. Good luck. I told you I was going to get unique. Next year we're going to get even more unique. Best Ford, 1965 Ford Mustang, driven by Rusty, car number 116. How about most original car? Car number 20. Car number 20, driven by James. There we go, right over there.